Hi all, in this video let's learn about how to find the unused dependencies and unimported files. In a project, down the line we'll be adding a number of dependencies and files, but we need to understand really we are using those dependencies or not, really we are using those files or not. If really we are not using them, we can remove them. Okay, so let's see that. Usually in any of the projects we'll be having the lint, so which this lint will be helping us, and it will help us to tell this code is not using in that particular file. If you are using a variable, declared a variable, and if you're not using that variable, lint will give an error warning. It will state that this variable is not used. This is for file, but no lint will not explain that this dependency is not used, this file is not used. So for that, what we need to do? So let me show you that. So this is a sample React project which was created with the Create React app, and I have added two dependencies called Lodash and Moment. I have added two dependencies, Lodash and Moment, and let's find out. And I'm not using these dependencies. Let's find out. I'm taking one more terminal. So this is a command npx unimported. So this is a command you need to use. Okay, so that this command will give you all the information related to the, this is how it looks. So you'll be getting all the unused dependencies. So these are all the unused dependencies of this project, and also all unimported files. So these files we can consider as a unimported files. So in this way we can understand what all the dependencies we are not using, and files which we are not using. Please double check it once again before you are removing these dependencies. Okay, fine. So you need to understand one point here. So it will only list out you the dependencies. The unused dependencies will be listed as per this command. Okay, not the dev dependencies. So we have the dev dependency here, that is moment.js. I have wantedly installed this moment.js as a dev dependency, and we are not using this dependency, but it has not listed here. This is because it will only find the dependencies, unused dependencies, not about the dev dependencies. Fine, you're getting. So that is one point we need to remember. And coming to the unimported files, so how this unimported command works is, this npx unimported command will work in such a way that it will follow your import statements from each and every file. It will follow the import statements, and it will see the list of files listed here. And if there is no import file to this list of file, and then it would be reported as unimported file. Okay, this is how it works. So before removing these unimported files or dependencies, please double check, and you can remove that dependencies so that the load on your project would be reduced. So this is about how to find the unused dependencies and unimported files. So hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.